Surely, the purpose of LinkedIn is not just to create the profile and now sit back and see that when the miracle is going to happen. I'm sure that getting connected with the people, expanding your network, and then approaching to the recruiters are those connections which you have created. What is the effective professional way without being pushy, making people annoyed, how to approach that network and connections that if they can help you out?
There are several ways. I mean, one of the things as a recruiter that I've had some great approaches and I've had some really not so great ones. The one that I would say the right way to approach someone is to either, let's put it this way, if you're in a group and you want to access certain company and you see someone might be commenting from the company you're trying to access, try and engage with them. So reply to perhaps the comment they made. That's a nice way forward. You can have a private conversation within the group. So that's always a nice way to bypass a certain amount of email issues if you have the basic account, or a good way forward. How to approach a recruiter or a hiring manager, where we get a lot of approaches on a weekly basis. So make sure that you really sincerely research who we are before you approach us, because despite the fact that I'm a recruiter, I will not be able to represent you if you are not within the industry that I work in. It will be a waste of my time and a waste of your time. So do the research. It's a little bit time consuming, but so necessary. It shows you're prepared. It shows that you have actually put in some effort into the recruitment process. And even though I might not be able to help you, if you approach me in the right way, which means with an introduction, then I would generally take time to say, hey, I might not be the right person, but I believe that you could look at this company, and I might just, take a couple of minutes of my time to actually send you in the right direction if I can. So how important is it? I would say from a recruiter point of view, very important that you use it wisely and properly when you try to approach people.
You can watch more videos on my channel related to this. Thank you.